Bulavinaka, Fiji, this is Jejemon. Welcome to your favorite night of television on FBC TV. I hope you're having a great evening from whatever part of our beautiful country you are tuning in from tonight, including our viewers on our YouTube channel. Kia ora to you if you're watching from the lands of the long white cloud. Thank you for keeping it cheche. Now, tonight, a special Bulavinaka to you if you come from the province of Laos. Great to have your awesome company, my Turanga and Maramataus. I hope you enjoy the show. This week, we check in with one of Fiji's top models. She gathered interest from international model scouts at the 2019 Bottega Fijian Fashion Festival this year and has also graced the cover of Australia's Elite magazine. Not only is she beautiful and fun, but model Jorja Naidu has a stellar personality to match. Check her out.
Hello Fiji, my name is Jorja Naidu and I'm a Fijian model. I think my killer outfit would be anything with Converse or heels. I feel really confident in whatever shoes I'm wearing. So I usually I feel like I'm a bit more feminine where I like gowns, but there's also times where just jeans and Converse I'm just ready to do anything. I never leave home without my earrings. I think telephone, because I like hearing someone's voice when I'm talking to them because it expresses the tone, there's no miscommunications, so definitely telephone. My favorite Fijian designer would either be Zubair Fiji or Samsung Lee Fiji, just because they always have bold, bright prints, and I'm someone that loves color, so yeah, definitely one of them. Any thrift store, so Value City or even the Bulk Fiji, I really like going to these places because you find really cool treasures in between everything. And I've scored some really good outfits for like less than $10. So, yeah. I actually scored a really cool bag in Fiji. So Anna Sweetman, she gave me her vintage Versace bag, and that's like one of my first branded luxury items, and I've just like kept it safe in my cupboard for special occasions, and it's gorgeous. I love it. I think it would have to be liquid eyeliner. So even if there are days when my eyes are already pretty small, so if there are days where it just feels puffy or just doesn't feel right, I just put on some eyeliner and I feel better. Crocs or anything with real animal fur. Yeah. I would either have to say high-waisted pants, anything high-waisted really. I feel like it just suits everyone. I've never seen anyone go wrong in it. Bit of a cliche answer, but anywhere where my family is, they always make me feel really at home. But we also go traveling together sometimes, so I think my favorite place to travel together was, it was in Italy. We went to a few places, like Venice and Rome back in 2009, and it's always somewhere I've always wanted to go back to. A comfortable pair of high heels that they feel confident to walk in. It would be Taylor Swift, because every time she releases an album, she's always changing up her whole look completely, and every single time she just seems to nail it. So I feel like she'd be an interesting person to style. I think one of the best parts is meeting the people that I get to work with, because there's a lot of, I think I've mentioned this before, there's a lot of talent, there's a lot of dreams in Fiji, and just seeing them actually live it out is really inspiring. And I get to meet really interesting people at the time. The stigma behind modeling, I've definitely felt it. There's a lot of speculation that if you're a model, it means you're dumb or shallow, it's a vain job. But if I'm being honest, that's what I thought before I even entered the industry. But it's actually it's more like someone who enjoys performance arts. It's kind of like a silent performance arts, because it's all about body movement, the way you express your face, the way you convey your message in the clothing. So yeah, it's definitely a stigma around it. Zendaya, because she literally wears anything that's like feminine to totally masculine, and she rocks it every time. And also, she's also a really big fan of Converse, like I am. So I feel like that's where we relate very well. Yeah. A cowgirl, and then a ballerina. I like the authenticness of it. You go to the West and it's still really beautiful. They've definitely got better weather, but I feel like it's a bit more suited for the tourists that are there, and Fiji's just kind of messy but charming in its own way. I know everyone complains about the traffic and all that, but I like it. I like That is just the way it is. My favorite makeup brand would be, I use a lot of Revlon products, but if I could own any brand, it'd be Chanel. I own only one Chanel product and I want a lot more. I personally really like the 1950s without the racism, but I like the fashion with like the T-skirts, and women were just starting to wear pants, and also James Dean was kind of that era, so. Hi, I'm Jorja Naidu and I'm keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Top Fijian model Jorja Naidu sharing some of her favorites. A fun shoot with the country's hottest model. And you can catch Miss Naidu on the catwalk at this year's Style Fiji fashion show coming up in November in the Jet Set Nandi. Time for a short break. A top international model, Adut Akech, takes us behind the scenes at the Prada fashion show in New York next. See you soon.